Hey you guys, we're up here watching the salmon come up the river. I don't know if you guys can see all those splashes, but they're all salmon. They're coming up this little steep chute, and then they're going to come into this crystal clear hole. And it's amazing how clear this water is. Hang out with me for a second, you guys. We'll see if we can see these fish coming through, coming by us. They're coming right now. They just made it, and there they are right there. You guys see those? And those are two pink salmon, and they're headed up the river. They made it up over the falls and small rapids, and now they're home free, going up into some calm water where they possibly might stay and spawn. Oh, look, here's some right here at my feet. Oh, check these out, guys. They almost bumped into me. You see those three salmon going up there, you guys? And where they want to go is they're going to go up that way, quite a long ways. Here comes another school. Look at that school, you guys. There's four more beautiful salmon coming up. And these fish are amazing, you guys. The tenacity of a salmon is unbelievable. These salmon have not only avoided danger in the ocean for up to a year with the pink salmon, but then they've avoided danger when they were born and they came down this river. They didn't get eaten. They made